Every journey in a Brinkley RV is more than just a trip. It's a story. At Brinkley, we're dedicated to understanding that story and valuing what it means to you. Your RV embodies freedom, whether it's the freedom to revisit your favorite campground, explore an incredible trail, or simply celebrate life's moments. We recognize that the journey is uniquely yours. That's why every Brinkley RV is built to the highest standards by a team who truly cares about your experience. Our designers, engineers, craftsmen, and customer care specialists are all committed to ensuring that your Brinkley RV remains a cherished part of your story for years to come. We are a family dedicated to serving yours, here to support you every step of the way.